Affair. Affair.
Affair. Affair. Events that are of public interest or political importance. We are expecting a statement from the Home Affairs spokesman. An expert on foreign affairs. An event that people are talking about or describing in a particular way. The newspapers exaggerated the whole affair wildly. She wanted the celebration to be a simple family affair. A sexual relationship between two people, usually when one or both of them are already in a relationship with somebody else. She was having an affair with a coworker. An extramarital affair.